So trying out my new toy again, I'm going to be making sausages and peppers. I'm going to basically cook them in the air fryer and then switch them to a regular pan. So I truly think that this is my new favorite cooking tool. It is so easy as just popping it in and you set the timer. I'm going to do 10 minutes so that I can flip them and do another 10 minutes after that. As for the saute for the sausages and peppers, after they're cooked in the air fryer, I'm just getting some of my peppers and onions ready. I put garlic in it already, and as you can see, I'm running out of ingredients, so these are actually frozen peppers and onions. I hope it still turns out. So after I saute my onions and peppers, these are basically the ingredients that I'm going to be putting in. I normally use a white wine. Don't really drink much of that, so I have a red wine I'm going to use. And I normally don't put a little bit of strained tomatoes, but I'm going to try that this time. So that was 10 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Not bad, but definitely need to flip them. Back you go for at least another 10 minutes. So we're gonna open it up now after 20 minutes. This is what our sausages look like. Pretty good. You're probably all wondering why I tried the sausages here in the air fryer. Well, one, it's my new toy, so I want to see what it can do. But two, once I remove the bottom here, it's still pretty hot. A lot of the oil is actually still at the bottom, so that's a perfect reason to use your air fryer. Actually, it looks pretty cooked, so I'm just going to finish it off in the sauce. The finished sausage and pepper product